Guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal and I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh. And I hope you all are doing well and you all are able to learn something on daily basis. And as you all are well known, like I have started a 100-day challenge for myself, and in that particular challenge, I'm going to create or make a video blog in spoken English till 100 days. And today is the 59th day of that particular challenge, and I'm continuous on it. And as earlier, I think like I need to start storytelling on my YouTube channel. So I have already started storytelling on my YouTube channel, and if I'm going to create or narrate some story, and same time I'm going to record myself, then I'm able to use so many vocabs and phrases and words in that story, and same time I'm able to get to know about if I'm going to do some mistakes like grammatical mistakes and so on. Using these techniques I'm able to improve myself, and same time I'm able to face my fear, because everyone is having some fears like camera fear, or if I'm going to do some mistake, then what other peoples are going to think about me or myself. So let's stay tuned with the story, and if you are going to be stay tuned till the end, then definitely you are able to get some deep message which is having inside that story. So once upon a time there was a village filled with greeneries and green tree, old trees, banyan tree, and likewise. And there was a boy named Rohan is living with his grandfather, and he is having very big dream, like he want to start a YouTube channel, and same time he want to play a guitar on stage. But inside him, he when he go for sleep, then his heart is saying like you are not able to face your fear, and you are shaking, your hands is shaking, your voice is also shaking when you are trying to talk with peoples, and he's not able to start anything. Just he's dreaming about starting a YouTube channel and all. One day in his school there was one announcement happen, and in that announcement there was they are having their school teachers want to their student, they they are going to present a speech in English which is about to how to deal with your fear. So inside from him he is also want to be a part of that announcement or presentation, but inside him he's not able to make eye contact with the teachers or his friends, and he seems like very pretended. He started pretending himself, and he not said anything. He said they are very calm, and did not want to talk with anyone for these kind of topics, and he didn't say anything, but inside him he really felt sad for himself and his decision. And after completion of his school, when he went to his house, then at the evening time he sat with his grandfather, and he started telling about whole story what is happened on that day on the school. And he said like in my school my teachers want to start a story which is in English, and they want to represent a story about how to deal with fears, and I'm also want to make a part of it, but I'm not having the courage of represent the thing in the front of so many peoples, but inside from myself I want to represent it. So the grandfather said he is very old person, and he is having so many experiences of life. He faces so many struggles, and at the same time he's able to tackle with so many ups and downs of life, and throughout of that he is able to learn so many things. So he said, your fear is not your enemy. Things on which you are feeling fearful, where your life is going to be grow. If you are able to face these fear, so you are able to change your life and you are able to make your. There are so many people who really want to grow in their life, but if they need to face some interviews, then they are not able to face interviews, and they are feeling very nervous, their voice is shaking, and hands are also shaking a bit. But if they are able to face their fear, then they are able to change their life. So he is also nodded with his grandfather, and next day when he went to the school, then he wrote his name on that participation list. Then his friend laughed on him, and they said, you are not able to participate on that competition because you are very fearful, and you are feeling stuck and you are not able to complete your speech. But he has faith, positive faith on himself, and he wrote his name and he agreed like I'm going to face it. And when his turn came, he even his hand was shaking and his voice is also shaking, but his heads and mind seems steady, and he started that speech. Even he feels stuck at so many times, but he said clearly, I'm not able to present this speech in a very good manner, but I'm trying to face my fear whatever I have, and I'm putting my 100% on it, and maybe I'm not able to win, but I'm able to face my fear throughout of that participation. And he continues on it and represent that speech very well. And after completion of his speech, there are a very loud applause happen on that hall, because he is not able to win, but he is able to face his fear of like if I'm going to do some mistakes, and if to stuck at some point, so then what others peoples are going to think about myself. And inside from his that day he feel very positive for himself, and like he's able to win. So that day when he went to his house or home, then he sat with his grandfather and he said, grandfather, you are right, and I now I'm able to face my fear due to you, and now I'm feeling more powerful and more energetic towards myself. And from today onwards I'm going to start making videos on my YouTube channel, and also I'm going to start learning guitar by myself. And he from that day he's going to follow his dream, and he started facing his fear on each and every era of his life, and he is able to some amount of time he's able to become a motivational speaker. So that's it. And of this story is, if you are also going to start facing your fears, then you are also able to become a great personality of yourself. So that's it for today, and I hope this kind of content is really helpful in the journey of learning spoken English. And for me also, I'm started this challenge for myself, for gain confidence in spoken English. And throughout of this journey I'm able to face my fear. If you are feeling my content is really helpful for you, then please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who really need these kind of content. Goodbye, take care, Have a great day ahead. Learning, stay healthy.